ever wondered how does a hot liquid in the food industry is rapidly cooled? For pasteurization, fruit juices, or milk packaging? Meet the Saltec heat exchanger, HE158.
What can this heat exchanger actually do? This model provides 4 types of heat exchangers for students to study, which are shell and tube heat exchanger, concentric heat exchanger, jacketed vessel with coil and stirrer, and plate heat exchanger. Through this heat exchanger training machine, students can attain the experimental data needed to determine energy balance, temperature profiles in countercurrent and co-current flow, block mean temperature difference, heat transfer coefficient, flow rate effects on heat transfer rate, heat loss estimation, and relationship between Nusselt and Reynolds numbers.
How does this machine work? When the operation begins, hot water and cold water are circulated through the apparatus using pumps P1 and P2. The operator then selects one of the heat exchanger by opening the correct valves while ensuring the other units remain closed. Once selected, the hot and cold fluids flow into the heat exchanger through the separate path. They stay separated by a solid surface so they don't mix. Heat then moves from the hot water to the cold water because of the temperature difference.
This follows the fundamental principle of heat transfer, where heat flows from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature. As a result, the hot water gradually cools down while the cold water becomes warmer. The apparatus can operate under 2 flow configurations: co-current flow where both fluids move in the same direction, and counter-current flow where they move in opposite directions. Counter-current flow is generally more efficient in transferring heat. During operation, the flow rates of both fluids are controlled using valves, while flow meters measure the flow rates. Temperature sensors record the inlet and outlet temperatures, and pressure sensors monitor the pressure differences across the system.
Now, what are the current technologies related to this equipment?
First up, intelligent data monitoring. You know how in old labs you have to write down every temperature reading manually. This one uses sensors to track real-time data like temperature and flow rate automatically. That means no more typos or missed readings. Way more accurate for our experiments. Then there's the enhanced heat transfer design. Think of it like upgrading a regular water pipe to a fancy wrapped one that makes the liquid flow more efficiently.
Next is the energy saving system. The apparatus uses an energy saving system. This system reduces power consumption while maintaining efficiency. For example, variable frequency drives can control the speed of pumps based on the required flow rate. This means the system only uses the energy that it needs, which helps to reduce energy waste and improve overall efficiency. Next is advanced materials. Advanced materials are used in the heat exchanger. Materials such as stainless steel and special coatings help improve heat transfer and prevent corrosion and fouling. Some modern systems also use technologies related to nanotechnology to enhance performances.
How to reduce energy consumption in our heat exchange machine? We can start by opting for a countercurrent heat exchange method. This improves efficiency in heat transfer by using the principle of temperature gradient. In countercurrent, the fluid move in opposite directions, where the hottest fluid meet the warmest outlet and the coldest fluid meet the coldest outlet, creating a steady, high-performance gradient along the entire length, which gives efficient heat transfer. And this is why co-current is used in nature such as...
How does this equipment help to extend food shelf life? Basically, the apparatus is used to make food safer and last longer. It works by using heat to kill harmful microorganisms so the food doesn't spoil easily. At the same time, rapid heating and cooling help maintain the food's quality like its taste, color, and nutrients. The heat also inactivates enzymes that can cause spoilage. Finally, the system is closed, which prevents contamination after processing. So overall, it ensures food safety while preserving quality.